guest artist from a country that I really love, Turkmenistan. I spent over 2 years there and have done a lot of research there, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the music of Turkmenistan. So I hope to share some of that passion with you guys, or ignite some of that passion, although it's pretty different from a lot of other kinds of music in the world. So let me not take too much time talking, since we have a short class period. I'd like to introduce Batur Udeyev, also known as Dutar Bakshi, and we'll explain at some point the meaning of Dutar Bakshi, but I just want to flag from the outset that he's on social media. He's got a YouTube channel, an Instagram account at Dutar Bakshi. The YouTube channel is Dutar Bakshi. Twitter, no, yes, no. Everybody would like to encourage you to subscribe, like, etc. It's good for him. And so let's welcome Batur Udeyev. We wanted to play one piece together and decided to just do it right at the beginning and get it out of the way. So we're going to start by playing a piece. I'll let Batur introduce it.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so very much for inviting and having me at the Arizona State University Music School. It's always good to perform in front of the public, in front of the audience who understand music really as a professional. So all of you are studying the music. Music is spirit, you know. There are a lot to talk. We just carried out all of our music tradition. You can maybe say with this instrument, yeah, with this instrument. So it's called Dutar. Bakshi means singer. So I just write down to show to the people. So Dutar Bakshi. I would really appreciate your support if you could subscribe and keep in touch anytime, you know, if you have questions. We'll be all, I could say, music lovers.